Uno. Now, one example. The center, we got to recall, the center is in the origin of all. The focus is in 3O, and the vertex is in 5. Okay. Now we will try to draw this point. For the centers here, the focus is 1, 2, 3 here. The vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Okay, with this, what is the measure of A?
5.
5. Because the distance between center and vertex must be this. This is 5. What is the number for C?
3.
3. Because it's the distance between center and focus. For find B, we need to use the next formula. B is the square root for the I squared minus C squared. Okay? Then B must be square root 2 5 squared 25 minus 9. This is square root of 16 and it's equal to 4. Okay? The number, the right answer for B is 4. Do we agree? Yes? Everybody, do we agree? Yes. Yes. Okay. Then, another focus, if this focus is the focus 2, the coordinates of focus 1 must be 1, 2, and 3, minus 3, oh. Do we agree? Any question? This focus 2, focus 1. Okay, the coordinate for the other vertex, the vertex 1, will be minus 5. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's here. Okay. Do we agree? Yes. Somebody have any question? You have any question? No? Anybody? Okay. Then, now the coordinates for the transversal vertex is I2. Where's the number? It's here. Is the measure of the distance between center and the transversal vertex. It's P. It must be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Must be O 4. Before transversal vertex 1 is O minus 4. Do we agree? Yes? Okay. Questions? No? Okay. What more elements we missing? The equation, right? But also the minor axis. The minor axis is 2 times b. But this 2 times b is 4, is 8. The measure of the major axis. The major axis is 2 times a. This 2 times 5, 10. Do we agree? Yes. Okay. Lateral rectum. Lateral rectum is 2 times b squared a. This is 4 squared is 16 times 2, 32, 5. Okay. If eccentricity is c, 3 over is 5. Okay. Now the equation, the canonical equation. The canonical equation is x minus 0 squared over 5 squared is 25 plus y minus 0 squared over 16 because it's b squared. B squared is 16 is equal to 1. Okay. Say x squared 35 plus y squared 16 is equal to. If we want the general equation, we got it. This is in this place. Plus y squared 16 1. Okay. 35 times 16 for find the general equation. Times this equation is 16 x squared plus 35 y squared is equal to 25 times 16. Okay, is equal to okay. Let's check now if we answer as the right answer. Okay? Let's check. Let's check our answers in GeoGebra. Okay? The equation is 16x squared plus 25y squared equal to 400. Okay, then x squared 16 plus 25
y square
equal
to 400.
Equal to 400.
Yes.
this is our ellipse. Okay? Our answer is the right answer. Okay, for check that, we find the focus. Focus, focus, focus. Focus of the circumscription. It's here. We can see the focus is -3, O, and 3, O. We are right. Okay? It's a pleasure. This is the ellipse. It's a conic form for analytic geometry. It's a pleasure for me. Thanks.
What did you learn in this class?
In my opinion, I understood where ellipse's equation comes from after knowing its definition, which is a set of points whose properties are confirmed by the addition of the distance from one point to another 2 points called focus. Thanks.
It's an interesting activity because we can practice English in maths, meanwhile we also learn maths. In this class, I learned how to solve ellipses with center in OO and also in HK. I also learned ellipses properties and the value of A, B, and C, which belong to the ellipses form. Thank you.
Hi. Many people think the maths are so difficult or so hard. I think that's not true, because if you try to have a spatial reasoning, you could understand the math world. Thanks a lot.
Well, the class seemed to be full of a good information to me because we could solve the problem on the blackboard, and also we used GeoGebra to make sure of our result in class. I understood that eccentricity will always be less than 1 because the equation is C divided by A, and so A will always be higher than C. Thank you.
Because we can learn and practice maths by ourselves with a teacher in front of us giving us the chance to study at home, and we can also practice our English listening in class. Thank you.
I learned that the ellipse is a set of points in the Cartesian plane that has 2 focus and 2 vertex, latus rectum, major and minor axis, and eccentricity. Also, I learned that the ellipse has 2 equations that are the canonic form and the general form. Thanks.
I understand that the ellipse is a figure formed by all the points which always have the same distance added to both focus.
Thank you for your attention.